Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be trying out 4 different hair gels slash edge control, whatever you want to call it, but basically I'm going to be trying out 4 different hair gels. I want to see which one is going to be the best for my hair when it comes to laying my edges. So I have 4 different brands. This is the Eco Styler gel. I'm sure you guys know Eco Styler. This one, and I also have the Gorilla so I have the Gorilla Snot Gel as well. Okay, you guys have probably seen this a lot on my channel. This one I have is the hair wax. Okay, so I have this hair wax. I also have my shine and jam. You guys have probably heard, if you watch my Bantu knots tutorial, you'd already see my review on this, but I want to just add this in this video. So this is the shine and jam. We're going to be using this now. First of all, these are the ones I'm going to be using today. I'm going to try this out today and tomorrow. So these two seem like they have the same consistency. They have very thick consistency. So we're going to use these two first today. I'm going to come back later in the night to show you guys what it looks like. So I'll have this on, secure it with my scarf, and then show you guys after it is well laid, and then come back like maybe 6 hours later or maybe in the night and show you guys the end result of the different gels so that we can compare. So now I'm going to be using shine and jam first, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and let me show you the consistency. So it has a thick consistency, and so let me just show you guys this one quickly. They have like, this is thicker, definitely. This is definitely thicker, and this is the hair wax. So this is very thick, very thick, and this is the shine and jam. Shine and jam is not so thick, but basically they have similar consistency. Okay, so now let me just clean this up and start doing my hair and lay my edges. Okay, so in this our little, would I say, experiment, or this little trial and error, I want to look out for a couple of things. I want to look out for how good they smell. Obviously I've used this before, but just to let you guys know, but basically how they smell. Do they give off these white flakes? So I'm looking out for flaking, I'm looking out for the smell, the consistency, as well as the hold, which is the most important. Well, the hold and flaking. So yeah, hold, we're going to see how they hold my edges together for a couple of hours. We're just going to jump right into it, and I'm starting off with the shine and jam like I said. Okay, so I'm taking my shine and jam right now, and I'm going to use my shine and jam all the way here. Okay, so okay, so this is what the shine and jam is looking like right now. I'm going to go ahead to use the hair wax on this other part of my hair, but first of all I have to clean the brush so that there's no mix up. So let me clean this brush, come back and use this hair wax, just so that we know that it's only this that I'm applying here. Okay, so she's clean. Okay, so now that we're done with the shine and jam, it has a nice smell. The smell is actually just there, nothing too spectacular, but I mean, now I'm just going to take this out of the way. Okay, so we're done with shine and jam. Now onto this one. This is the hair wax. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now, and it smells nice. This one just smells like normal gel. I think. Yeah, it smells like normal hair gel. So I'm going to take some of this. This is what this one looks like. Like I'm almost running out. I usually use this, but let's just test this out. It has a very thick consistency, very thick, very, when I mean thick, very thick. It's like hair wax. And I've gotten a couple of questions on the particular hair gel or hair wax I use in my shorts video. So this is it, and honestly, let's just see how this works. Okay, so now I'm done with the edges. This one is Shine and Jam, and this is my hair wax. Okay, so this is the hair wax. So I'm just going to let's just see how this goes. I'm going to just secure this by tying a scarf for like 10 minutes to lay everything flat. Okay, so this is on lockdown now. But yeah, this is what we're working with, and I want to say I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes. I'm going to just secure this for 10 minutes, come back and show you guys what it looks like after 10 minutes, and then go about my day, you know, maybe come back. What's the time? So this is like 3:30 p.m. so maybe in the night I'm going to come back again and show you guys how they look and how well it has kept my hair on my edges in place actually. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes and see you guys again this night, and then tomorrow we're going to work with these two. Okay, so we'll see how these two are going to do tomorrow, and then I can now give like my final impressions on how all of them did. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back, and I think it's over 10 minutes, so I feel like my edges are going to be set. Yeah, they are. So okay, this feels very hard, but I'm going to go about my day. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so that you guys can see the details now and in the night. Okay, but this is what we're looking like. Let me zoom in. So this is the Shine and Jam. It's Shine and Jam. They disappointed me a second time. Anyways, this is what Shine and Jam is looking like right now. You can see that the hold is not even so much. This is just 10 minutes, and I'm supposed to carry this for the whole day. Okay, so this is Shine and Jam. You can see it's not so the hold is not extra like they said. Yeah, they said extra hold, so this isn't extra at all, because you can see that it's not. But let me just give you the benefit of the doubt, you know. Let me just give this like another maybe 4, 5, 6 hours and see how this turns out. Now this side is this other hair wax, right? So this one, if I touch it, it feels very hard. So I'm just going to see how they both look at the end of the day. I'm going to try not to sleep. Hey guys, so this is currently what we're looking like. This is the hair wax, right? And it has like a little bit of hold to it. As you guys can see, here is still a little bit hard, and here as well we still have some of the waves, but yeah, basically this is it. This is for this. Now for Shine and Jam, Shine and Jam literally just doesn't have any hold, if I'm being honest with you. This is currently 7:30 p.m. and you can see that there is no hold at all. So I wanted to give you guys like a close view. So for me, Shine and Jam is like a 0/10, and this one is like maybe a 5/10. Hey guys, it's a new day, it's a brand new day, and today we are going to be trying out these two. This is the one that I want to start off with. I'm going to be using, this is the Eco Styler Gel, and this is the Gorilla Snot Gel. You guys have probably seen this a lot on my channel. So this is what we're going to be using today. Okay, so we're going to, this smells just there. This smells just there. It smells like actual, like normal hair gel, just like the other one, but it has a very nice fragrance to it. This one, the first time I used it, I didn't like it. Yeah, it has like this menthol mint. I'm not sure if they use the mint to do this, but it has that minty smell to it. It smells like mint. I don't know why, but I'm not a fan of this smell. I'm not a fan of this smell. Ugh. Okay, and I'm going to start off with this one. My brush is clean, no residue, no products on my brush, and I'm going to be starting off with this one. Now the consistency of this, okay, the consistency of this is like a gel. Okay, this is the consistency, and just have this on my hand so I don't waste that. And the consistency of this one, I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, so basically this one, this is the consistency of this one. So my brush is clean. I'm just going to take some of the Eco Styler and let's just start laying our edges. I'm going to use the Eco Styler for this part, okay? This is actually like just hair gel because it's not, I'm not sure about the hold. Is this going to last all day? Because it's not so firm, but let's just wait and see when it dries up. Okay, so I'm going to go and clean my brush right now and then come back and use the Gorilla Snot Gel for this side. Okay, you guys can see how slimy it is. Literally, you can see it has a very runny consistency. It's like already dropping. Can you see? So if I touch it, so it's very slimy. So this is what they are both looking like. Okay, so let me just quickly tie my scarf. I'm going to go for like 10-15 minutes just so that this dries up and my edges actually set. Oh, this is very wet. I can already see the gel coming through. Do you think I should have let it dry a little bit before setting it? Anyhow, I'm not sure, but yeah, basically, so we'll come back in 10 minutes and then I'll go about my day and come back in the night. This is currently 1 o'clock. Okay, so I'll come back in the evening and show you guys what this looks like. Okay, this is what came off. Is dried. It's actually dried, so it had like a little bit of stain to it. So this is what Eco Styler is looking like. It feels hard, and And this is what the Gorilla Snot Gel is looking like after 15 minutes. So I'm going to go now and come back in the evening. Looks good though. It looks better than yesterday, but let's see how they hold up. So hey guys, we are back now, and honestly I am so impressed with these two gels. These two, I never expected them to even last longer than these ones, you know. So you know, this was the Eco Styler gel. This was this one, and this one still feels very hard. They feel very hard. I feel like what's making this to last is the fact that I, you know, tied it with a scarf, because I have used this gel before, but I just lay my edges and go. So like, you're not setting it, you guys get. So I feel like this, any of the Eco Stylers anyways, but this particular one didn't even bring out like any flakes. There's no whitish stuff anywhere, right? So there's nothing like any flaking. So even as well as this, so this now is the Gorilla Snot Gel, and this one too is actually so surprising because I never expect it was, the consistency was so thin, you know, so I wasn't sure, but then I'm so impressed. Like, can you see I am rubbing? It's not even moving. So I suppose if I should sleep or, you know, sweat a little bit, then it can start, you know, losing its hold. But then this is like, I'm actually so impressed. Wow. To rate the two of them, I don't know, I would say the hold is like maybe 8/10, both of them, because they're like very similar. They did better than this one, which I was even hyping in the beginning, you know. But yeah, I'm so happy I did this test. So yeah, as for this one, I have to talk about this because I won't advise you to get this. This doesn't have any hold whatsoever. The only thing I like about this is the smell. Finish. And then maybe if you are braiding, it just helps you get a more shiny look. It helps your braids to, like your hair when you're braiding, it just helps. If you watch my Bantu knots video, I'll leave the link so that you guys can check it out. But the end result for your braids, if you use this, it's going to be amazing. But after that first 1, 2 hours, 3 hours, like, the hold is gone, and for me that is just like a waste of time, just a waste of effort. So I'm not sure about this one is a no for me. These are my new face right now. If I want to lay my edges, I'm just going to use this one and make sure that I tie it with a scarf, because I feel like that is what kept everything in place. So yeah. I have to say that this is based on my own hair. This is based on the particular products which I'm using. I've heard that there are fakes of this one. If you get a fake, you might not get the same result as I got. Your own experience might be different. Let me know down in the comment section if you enjoy my trial and error session. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in one of my other videos, but for now, make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, I'll see you guys in one of my other videos. Bye guys.